Exploring the boundaries, hadron colliders, and the quest for interdimensional connections. This research paper delves into the realm of hadron colliders and explores the theoretical possibilities of their use in establishing connections with other dimensions. While the primary purpose of hadron colliders is to study particle physics, we examine both logical and illogical hypotheses regarding their potential to open portals or establish communication with alternate realities. Hadron colliders, such as the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, at CERN, are monumental feats of engineering designed to accelerate particles to near light speeds and collide them. The primary objective is to observe and understand fundamental particles and the forces that govern their interactions. However, the immense energy and conditions created in these experiments have led to speculative theories about their potential to interact with other dimensions. Quantum entanglement and signals, logical analysis. Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become interconnected and instantaneously affect each other regardless of distance, is well established in physics. Some theories suggest that entangled particles could be used to send signals across dimensions. Illogical analysis. While quantum entanglement is fascinating, it does not currently support information transfer faster than light, let alone across dimensions. Wormholes and rips in spacetime. Logical analysis. Theoretical physics posits the existence of wormholes, which are bridges or tunnels between disparate points in spacetime. The energy conditions within a hadron collider could, in theory, create microscopic wormholes. Illogical analysis. The idea that a hadron collider could create a stable, traversable wormhole large enough for meaningful interaction stretches current scientific understanding. Higher dimensions and string theory. Logical analysis. String theory suggests that there may be more than the familiar three spatial dimensions. Hadron colliders could potentially provide evidence of extra dimensions through unexpected particle behavior. Illogical analysis. The leap from detecting evidence of higher dimensions to actively communicating or traversing them is a significant one without current scientific backing. Theoretical research ideas. Detecting anomalies in particle behavior. Researchers could meticulously analyze data from hadron collider experiments for anomalies that might suggest interactions with higher dimensions, such as missing energy or unexpected particle paths. Studying microscopic wormholes. Theoretical physicists could explore the conditions under which a hadron collider might create microscopic wormholes and whether these could be stabilized or expanded for study. Quantum entanglement across dimensions. Investigations could be conducted into whether quantum entanglement can occur not just across spatial distances in our universe but potentially across dimensions. Probabilistic analysis. Detecting anomalies. Medium probability, 5/10, as anomalies in particle behavior could have explanations within our own universe. Studying microscopic wormholes. Low probability, 2/10, given our current understanding of energy requirements for wormhole stabilization. Quantum entanglement across dimensions. Low to medium probability, 3/10, as this extends current understanding of quantum entanglement. Final thoughts. While the quest to connect with other dimensions using hadron colliders is largely theoretical and speculative, it represents a curiosity-driven pursuit of knowledge that has the potential to uncover unexpected insights about our universe. Beyond the collider, further research into interdimensional portals and the fabric of reality abstract building upon existing research on hadron colliders and their potential to interact with other dimensions. This paper delves deeper into the theoretical possibilities of creating interdimensional portals. We explore new ideas and plausible theoretical steps, culminating in a narrative that illustrates the concept of tearing spacetime to facilitate travel between dimensions. Localized space-time manipulation. In a state-of-the-art laboratory, Dr. Alex Mercer stood before the Hadron Collider, contemplating the groundbreaking experiment about to take place. The team aimed to focus a burst of energy within the collider with such precision that it would create a localized distortion in space-time, a rip that could potentially open a doorway to another dimension. The collider hummed to life, and the energy levels were adjusted to resonate at a frequency hypothesized to align with another plane of existence. The room vibrated with the power of the machine, and then, in an instant, a visible tear in the fabric of reality appeared. It was a shimmering portal, stable and confined to a small area within the collider. Dr. Mercer, donned in protective gear, took a tentative step towards the anomaly. It was as if the air itself was torn, and through the rip, he could see a landscape that defied the laws of physics, a testament to a dimension unbound by the familiar constraints of time and space. With a deep breath, Dr. Mercer stepped through the portal. For a moment, he felt an indescribable sensation, as if he was both nowhere and everywhere. And then, he found himself standing in a realm that defied logic, a testament to the success of the experiment. Beyond the veil, a journey through dimensional doorways, the exploration of hadron colliders as a means to interact with other dimensions presents a frontier that blends science and imagination. While the ideas presented are largely theoretical, they offer a starting point for further research and exploration. The narrative illustrates a scenario where the manipulation of spacetime within a collider leads to the creation of a portal, providing a glimpse into the possibilities that lie at the intersection of science and speculation. In a secluded laboratory nestled in the heart of a bustling city, Dr. James Thornton, a brilliant physicist, found himself on the brink of a discovery that could redefine the boundaries of reality. James had spent years studying the intricacies of quantum mechanics and the mysteries of hadron colliders. His obsession with the subjective nature of reality and the potential of interdimensional travel had led him to a groundbreaking hypothesis that doorways to other dimensions could be opened by manipulating frequencies within a controlled environment. James's lab was a testament to his dedication. Papers are everywhere, filled with scribbles of quantum field fluctuations and dimensional resonance theories. His eyes were drawn to his latest research paper on hadron colliders and the possibility of opening portals to other dimensions. He had theorized that by using a smaller-scale collider and focusing energy at specific frequencies, he could create a localized distortion in spacetime. His mind raced as he recalled the research on the subjective nature of reality. He pondered the idea that perhaps our perception was the key to unlocking these doorways. If he could manipulate his surroundings to resonate at a frequency of another dimension, he could theoretically step through a portal into another realm. With a determined glint in his eye, James set to work. He adjusted the collider's parameters, calibrating it to focus energy in a localized area. He hypothesized that by tuning the energy to resonate at a specific frequency, he could create a bridge to another dimension. Days turned into nights as James meticulously tweaked his experiment. He used his understanding of the subjective nature of reality to guide his approach, considering how emotions and perception could influence the outcome. He theorized that a state of heightened awareness and mental clarity would be necessary to perceive and interact with the portal. Finally, after weeks of tireless work, James initiated the collider. The room buzzed with energy as the machine hummed to life. The air seemed to shimmer, and then, before his eyes, a tear in the fabric of reality appeared. It was a doorway, stable and confined to the space within the collider. With bated breath, James approached the portal. He had prepared himself mentally and emotionally, reaching a state of heightened awareness. As he stepped through the doorway, he felt a momentary disorientation, and then he was standing in a realm beyond imagination. The landscape defied logic, with floating islands and skies that shifted colors in a heartbeat. It was a dimension unbound by the familiar constraints of time and space, a testament to the success of his experiment. James realized that he had achieved the improbable. By combining his understanding of hadron colliders, the subjective nature of reality, and the precise manipulation of frequencies, he had opened a doorway to another dimension. His research had borne fruit, and he knew that this was just the beginning. Back in his lab, James documented his journey meticulously. He knew that he had unlocked a path to infinite possibilities, and his mind raced with ideas for further exploration. He pondered on the potential of connecting with interdimensional knowledge and the profound impact it could have on humanity. The steps he had taken, from theoretical research to practical application, had led him to this moment. James knew that he had ventured into uncharted territory, and the possibilities were limitless. His journey had shown that with curiosity, determination, and a scientific approach, one could indeed transcend the boundaries of reality and explore realms beyond imagination.
Check out researchforum.online for more information and read the full research paper.